everyone, it's Tiffany. I am here with some of the new Rainbow Butterfly Unicorn Kitty toys. We have 3 of the Walmart exclusive figures and we have 2 of the Walmart exclusive plush to take a look at today. I do want to thank the company for sending these over to me. Let's start getting all of this stuff open. Here is a closer look at our first figure, Unicorn Power Felicity. Press Felicity's head and her horn glows. We'll check that out in just a second. If we turn this around, we can see the different ones there are to collect. So we have the Power Tail Felicity and the Rainbow Power Felicity, the Unicorn Power Felicity, and Rock and Roll Miguel. And let's crack this one open so we can check it out. I'm really excited. Rainbow Unicorn Kitty. How many of you guys watch that show? Okay, first up here, so we gotta press this button on her head to make her horn light up. Look at that. So it doesn't press and stay on. You gotta actually do it yourself the whole time, which I like, so it doesn't get stuck on. Now this is her figure. She's just basically a hard plastic figure. Her head moves very, very slightly, but it won't move because of the wings. Her tail does move though. If we put it up, it kind of makes it look like a horse for some reason. I don't know, maybe a cat. The cat should be up, maybe, but I don't know why I'm thinking she looks like a horse right now. I guess maybe because of she looks more like a unicorn. Well, she's the Unicorn Power Felicity, so I mean, she is a horse, technically. You know, hopefully you know what I mean. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. But anyway, I was like, with the tail up, it looks more like a horse, but then I was like, oh wait, it's a cat. I don't know, it's just a thing. So I'm going to keep it down like that because she's a horse. Horses, usually their tails go down. Anyway, enough of me not making sense. This is really cute. I love all the different colors and I love the light up horn. The horn itself is actually, obviously it's translucent, a translucent like pinkish purple, and it has pink glitter in it. I'm really excited for this. Okay, let's check out the next one. We have Rock and Roll Miguel. And for him, we press his hat and he rocks out. So let's get this one open. I'm so excited. He might be my favorite. I don't know. I don't know. It looks like he's strapped in. The other ones weren't. Or the other one wasn't. Okay, here we go. So here's Miguel. He has his instrument. He looks like he has a guitar pick in his hand. And he pretty much is the same in terms of he doesn't do anything except for what he's not articulated anyway. But here we go. He's jamming out. He's rocking. Yeah! Woo! Ah, Miguel! His face is a little crazy. I love it. I love this one. This one's my favorite so far. Sorry, Felicity. Last figure we have is the Rainbow Powered Felicity. What's she do? Felicity expands into a rainbow. Okay. Alright. Let's check it out. And she is a Rainbow Butterfly Unicorn Kitty. So, alright. Are we ready? Bam! Oh my gosh, that's so cool. She does expand. How do we get her back is the real question. Wait, how do we get her back to? Anyway, this is fun. I love it. Look at her little toenails. They're different colors. I love this. So, like, obviously, whoopsies. Obviously. Actually, does it say on the back? I just don't want to. It just says she expands into a rainbow. It doesn't really tell me anything else. So, the horn. The horn will help us out there. Okay, I see how it is. So the horn, if you push that in, it will kind of go back together. Oh, we're all a little crooked here. There we go. All right, let's see if I can do something. There we go. Got it. Now she's all back together. One piece. I love her tail. It's a super fuzzy tail. It doesn't do anything. It does spin for some reason, but I love the little tail. And then this is just her body. She's in kitty form, not unicorn form. She's adorable. I love it. Well, actually, she's in unicorn form. She has a unicorn horn. Never mind. Anyway, moving on. We have 2 of the plush to look at. We do have Miguel. Here's his tag. I don't think it says it. Oh, it does say his name in it. That's cool. But here is his cute little face. I do love this plush. These are super soft. They have nice embroidered features. They do have a button nose. Look at these gold pieces here. I love those. And it even has working pockets. Like, come on. Even my jeans don't have working pockets, and his pants have working pockets. I love it. It's perfect. And I love the color blue. Oh my goodness. And his hat's adorable. He's really soft and he has only plush in him. And then, let me just lay you down there, we do have Felicity here. Here is her tag, Kitty Felicity, I guess I should say. And she has longer fur. I don't know how well you guys can tell, but she's still super soft. She has completely embroidered eyes. Miguel didn't. Miguel had more of like a sticker, I guess a sticker eye, more so of a sticker eye. So I find that interesting that he didn't have embroidered eyes, but she does. But anyway, I really like her features and all of her colors. If we flip her back here, she definitely has a lot going on. She has her golden butterfly wings. She has so many colors. Her tail is crazy. But like her face is pink. Her whole entire front of her face is pink. And she has this pretty sparkly collar. She's just adorable. I really, really like her. Again, she's all plush. She does have the longer fur. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which of the toys we opened up today is your favorite. Did you like the plushies or did you like the figures better? Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.